Am I just not enough to be the first name in their sky? He's got his baby mama, he's got his kids, his little tribe. She's got a ride or die, side seat saved in every plan. And I'm the late night number they call when it hits the fan. They talk, I listen, hold their pieces in my hands. They leave, I'm missing the life I almost understand. I'm just a soundboard, echo in the corner of the room. Everybody's main plot, I'm the cutscene they resume. They all got jobs, got titles, I got dreams on the back burner bright. I keep them alive, I keep them alive, while I mute myself each night. I know all their timelines, first dates, last fights, every scar. They don't ask what I'm chasing or why I still talk to the stars. Scroll past the party photos, recognize the clothes, not the place. I'm cropped out at the edges, still smiling just in case. I'm just a soundboard, echo in the corner of the room. Everybody's main plot, I'm the cutscene they resume. They all got keys, got parlays, I got dreams stacked high in the dark. I keep them alive, I keep them alive. Little blue flames in my heart. Maybe I'm more than the space where the pain can land. Maybe these backburned dreams are waiting till I can stand. So turn their voices down, let my own thoughts wander through. If I'm a soundboard now, I'll learn to play my song back too. Yeah.